Hi, my name is Tara. I'm a licensed cosmetology teacher and press-on nail artist. You can visit my website at taranails.com. There you can order your own custom set of nails. Now, for today's topic, let's talk about the benefits of press-on nails. You may have been wondering, what are the benefits to you as a consumer for press-on nails? And that's what we're going to talk about. So, starters, they are so easy to put on. All you have to do is with your glue or with your little sticky tabs, which I have a video that I did of how to apply them with the sticky tabs right up here. And you just press them on. So it's instant beauty, instant glamour, instant manicure. Instead of having to go to the salon and sit there and get your nails done, your nails are done like instantly. And you can have all these great designs that would otherwise take you an hour, maybe 2 hours in the salon, depending on how detailed you're getting. With the press-ons, you just get it in the mail, press them on, and there you go. You didn't have to do all that waiting. I don't know about you, but for me, sitting there to get my nails done, I have a hard time just sitting still, especially if someone is doing a lot of nail art, shaping my nails. Maybe if you're getting acrylic, that's even an extra step that you're gonna have to sit through because you're getting tips, you're getting the length put on. So the press-ons can really save you a lot of time in that manner, where you're gonna select the size that you want for the length. You're going to select the sizes of your press-on nails, and you're going to select the design. So therefore, whenever all that is done, it just comes to you and you can put that on, and it just saves you so much time. Not only time, but it saves you money, because when you go get your nails done at the salon, you're paying to have them done for that one time, and then they grow out, and then you have to get them redone again. With press-on nails, you can easily reuse the nails as long as you're taking care of them and removing them properly. So you can get more than one use out of these designs that you're paying for, compared to whenever you're going to the salon and you're paying for this design to only wear for 2 or 3 weeks, and then you're changing it. Press-ons also make it really easy for you to change your shape, especially if you're working with your natural nail. If you're going to the salon and let's say you're getting a square nail, and then the next time you go you want to wear a round. Depending on your nail length and the nail length that you want, you may not be able to have that round length to be filed for your nail for that time. But with press-ons, you can choose any shape that you want. Let's say this time you're wearing them, you want to wear an almond, and the next time maybe you want to wear a coffin, then you want to wear a square. It's just so many choices for all the different shapes out there that you can wear back to back from each other, compared to whenever you go to the nail salon. Now, if you're getting acrylics, that's another story. They can possibly add the extension on it to change your shape, but that, once again, that's going to cost you more money, and that's going to be something that's going to raise your bill up every time that you go to the salon, compared to with the press-ons, you can just wear a different shape every time, and it's not a cost per shape or length. That's not how press-ons work. Press-ons are cost for intricate design. So it's a design level. So the way I do my nails is, the more nail art that you get, the higher that your price is going to be. So it's not based off of if they're longer, it's going to cost more. It's how much nail art are you getting on your nails? Are you getting it on every single nail? Are you getting it on 1 or 2 nails? That's going to be a reflection of the price. But once again, you're going to be able to reuse those press-on nails, so you can get more than one wear out of those designs. You can get so creative with your nail art for your press-on nails. It just showcases your own individual style through your nails. Plus, they're easy to remove. You can soak your hands in a bowl of water with oil and soap, and then once the glue or the adhesive loosens up, you just take a cuticle pusher and gently start pushing your press-on nail off of your natural nail. So if you do it that way, it's reusable compared to soaking them in acetone. If you soak them in 100% acetone, you're not going to be able to reuse them again. So there you have it. There is my opinion on some of the benefits of press-on nails. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you like best about press-on nails. Hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video, and subscribe to my channel so that way you don't miss out on any more of my nail content. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye! That was a weird head flip. Bye!